The first sentence we're going to start with is compound sentence. What is the compound sentence structure? These are posters that I've shared with students in class. If you're a remote learner, you're seeing this for the first time. But you will be able to see these posters and have access to these posters anytime I have you writing sentences or writing essays or any of those things. They'll be displayed in the room, and I'll include them on assignments in Google Classroom where you're having to engage in this. So, what you see here is that a compound sentence with a coordinating conjunction is an independent clause, an adult clause that could stand by itself, but it's linked to another independent clause that can stand by itself. You cannot just ram those two things together and have a good situation, just like, you know, married people need a little buffer sometimes. They need their space between each other in order to have a positive relationship that works. So, how do we do that? How do we link two independent clauses? There are a number of ways, but the one we're looking at now is a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Fanboys. Down here, you can see the fanboys. The coordinating conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. While we're doing these particular practices, and we're going to do at least 5 of these over the next week or two, those are the only conjunctions you want to use. So, let's scroll back up and look here at our sentence model. I give you a sentence model every time that you can look at, consult, and even riff off of if you are really struggling. You can adopt it and just change a few words. Every day was a happy day. I have that in blue because it's an independent clause. I could put a period behind it. That's an adult clause. She can stand by herself. And then we have every night was peaceful. We've got a adult independent clause. They both have a subject and a verb. They can stand by themselves. But they're linked together. So with a coordinating conjunction and a comma. You have to have that comma there. The coordinating conjunction is not strong enough to hold the two independent adult clauses together by itself. Likewise, you can't just put a comma and have no conjunction, no coordinating conjunction, because again, it's not strong enough to hold those two independent adult clauses together in harmony.